Namaskar students, myself Dr. Kirti Joshi, Assistant Professor, Food Biotech Department, and today's session is about planning and calculation of a normal diet. Firstly, we'll discuss about steps involved in diet planning. We take considered recommended dietary allowances, then food list, and then making a menu. Recommended dietary allowances. To calculate balanced diet, first step there is to need to know recommended dietary allowances for different age groups prescribed by Nutritional Expert Committee, Indian Council of Medical Research. Food list can be prepared either using ICMR table or exchange list as a second step while planning or calculating daily diet. The food are chosen from five group to make meal planning more convenient. Indian Council of Medical Research suggested the portion size and balance details of adults for different groups. The balanced diets of adults are different age groups are given as multiple portion size. Portion size also given in terms of raw foods. The diet can also prescribe in terms of cooked exchange list. Each exchange provides 100 calories. All food portions in the list provides approximately same amount of kilocalories. Portion size are strictly defined so that every item on the given list provides roughly the same amount of energy. Any food as a high list can exchange from any other food on the same list without affecting balance to calories. Making menu. The food are listed in step 2 are converted into recipe taken as portions from ICR table and described in different meals like breakfast, lunch, evening tea and dinner. Nextly, then we'll discuss the main points to be considered while planning a diet. All of nutrients minimum RDA must be met. For energy, the total calorie can be plus minus 50. Energy derived from cereals should not be more than 75%. It is better to include two cereals in a meal like rice and wheat or millets and rice. Whole grain cereals, brown rice, hand pounded rice, unpolished or parboiled rice or marred grains given high nutritive value and high phytochemical values. Flour should not be sieved for chapati as it reduces the bran content. Refined cereals like maida should be taken in minimum quantity. To provide the cereals and pulses protein quality, maintain minimum ratio of cereal proteins protein should be 4:1. The term of grains, cereals and pulses should be in proportion of 8:1. 2 to 3 servings of pulses should be taken every day. Germinated pulses are more nutritious. One egg weight around 40 grams that is served along with the cereal and pulses to improve the quality of protein. Instead, one serving of poultry can be used improve quality of protein and it includes in diet. Red meat should be taken minimum quantity. Food rich in fiber should be included in the diet. A minimum quantity of 500 ml milk per day should be included. 2 glass of milk or 1 cup of curd weighing around 100 grams should be included in a balanced diet. Curd provide probiotics. Low fat milk should be preferred. Every meal should contain at least one medium sized fruit. It is better to serve the fruit as such. Taking juice, it causes loss of vitamin C and fiber. Preferably fish oil should be included in the diet. Inclusions of salads or raita not only help the meeting the vitamin requirement but meats should be attractive and have high satiety value due to high fiber content. Green leafy vegetables should be taken minimum of 1 serving per day. 5 servings of colorful fruits and vegetables should be included in a diet or met antioxidant requirement. Energy derived from fats and oils should be 15 to 20% of total calorie and 5% from sugar and jaggery. It is better to use more than one type of oil. Combination of oil gives proper balance of omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. Diet should be low in fat, saturated fat, trans fats and cholesterol also. Fried food can't be planned in if any allowances is less or low calorie diet. Variety of food should be used in menu. No single food provides the full nutrients requirement of the nutrients. Salt should be and sugar in moderate amount. Preferably meal should be contain all 5 food groups. Usually number of meals are 4 or very young child, and each meal should met one third of total calorie of protein requirement. For quick calculation, food exchange rate can be used. If possible, meal should be planned in a time of several days. Water should be taken in adequate quantities. Use processed and ready to eat foods judicially. Processed foods contain a variety of food additives. Children and patients can use nutritional requirements are high. Supplements can be given. So this is all about the session. Thank you.